It's your boy Will back with another video today. Hope you guys are doing good. In this video, I will be talking about Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTCUSD. Be talking about Bitcoin breaking new highs, how I actually plan on scalping Bitcoin, prices I've been buying more Bitcoin at, and why I think Bitcoin will reach $500,000 by the end of the year. And if it doesn't reach it by the end of the year, I think it's going to reach it next year. Okay. I do think it's going to reach over $500,000, and I'll give you the news on it as well. So make sure you guys smash the like button. Let's get the video over 50 likes. Subscribe. Try and get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year as my Christmas gift from y'all to me. And make sure you share the video to help as many people as we can. Okay? Don't forget to share. Now, Bitcoin. Let's go out to the daily chart. As you can tell, Bitcoin is getting close to breaking out. Okay? The old high was around 64,900. We'll just round it up to around $65,000. Okay, currently it's around 61,346 ish right now. Now I'm gonna tell you guys, I have been buying Bitcoin all through here. Okay, I've been buying Bitcoin all through there. There has been one other crypto that I've been buying more than Bitcoin. Okay, I put more money on the other crypto than Bitcoin. I'll make a video on that later today, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But I have been buying Bitcoin. Like I said, I believe it will go over $500,000. And the reason I think it's having some push today is because the news of the Bitcoin ETF. Okay, so all you got to do right here. Okay, as you can tell, the Securities and Exchange Commission is set to allow the first U.S. Bitcoin futures ETF to start trading next week. Okay, my bad, I'm misspeaking. Bloomberg reported early Friday, citing people familiar with the matter. The regulatory is unlikely to block products from beginning to trade, like people say. Okay, so they're hoping that everything goes smoothly. I think that's why Bitcoin is having this push. The first U.S. Bitcoin futures ETF trading. I actually will be trading as well. I'll make some videos on that one, and I'll kind of be playing around with it too. I think there's a lot of money to be made in that ETF, so we'll see how that kind of plays out. That'll be another video as well. But I think that's why Bitcoin is having this push, especially lately, having that push lately. But like I said, I have been noticing that Bitcoin does want to break out after I've been seeing this nice movement, which is why I have been buying more. Okay, now as Bitcoin goes up, before it makes those new highs, you might see a pullback. Okay, you might see a little pullback like this before it breaks the highs or when it breaks the highs. Okay, so let's just put a little level at that high because I think we're going to see some pullback around that high. Okay, now it could just take off and don't have any pullback. That is one scenario, but I am expecting some pullback once it gets up to around that area. Okay, so let's go out to the hourly chart. We'll make that level red so you guys can know that's where I'm expecting some pullback right here. Okay, around, you can say around 64,000. I'm expecting some pullback either after it breaks highs or before it breaks those highs. Now on that pullback, I'm expecting a decent sized pullback. So let's see what type of percentage. I would suggest it might go around 60 or below 60. So like a 6 to 7% type of pullback is what I'm kind of expecting once it starts breaking those highs. Again, it can just run up and not even have pullback, which is fine. We still have the coins, we've still been buying them, so we're still making money on those. But if we get some pullback, I'll buy some more here, okay, around that 60,000 range. So I want it to come up, still some pullback around that 60,000 range. And I think once it gets charged up and takes off, then I think we're going to be good to go to 70 to 80. And ultimately around that 100,000, I think is where it's going to go by this month or next month. I'm trying to see Bitcoin go over to 100,000 a coin, okay? That will be crazy. So I'm also looking to scalp Bitcoin as well. That's why I say I want some pullback. I'm looking to buy longer term around here. Okay, I already been buying, so I'm letting it kind of run now. So I don't want to be buying just every day. I'm letting it run now. Like I said, once it gets around that high, either way it breaks it or before, looking for some pullback, 6-7% type of pullback. Looking to buy some shorter term coins here for a scalp and longer term because I have different accounts for that. And then looking for the price to go above around 66,000 So trying to get a nice 10% scalp play on those coins. Okay, like you guys know, I trade them and I hold them longer term. So that's how I'm kind of playing Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is moving very nicely. That's the news. Why it's moving, the levels, how I'm looking to play it longer in the future, and why I think it's going to reach 500,000 is because countries are starting to slowly bring it in. I forgot what country it was, but one of the countries, they're accepting Bitcoins, letting people pay with them, get paid with them. I think that's just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. I don't think Bitcoin is going to go anywhere. I just think it's going to get bigger. So it is time to invest in Bitcoin slowly, by slowly. Don't put all your money at one point. Just try to slowly put it in. And I think overall, cryptocurrencies will do a bigger return than the stock market. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Always remember, share the video. None of recommendation to buy or anything. This is for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.